Hello and welcome to That Suite. My name is Sarah Emery and today I'm going to show you how to resolve divide by zero errors in saved searches in NetSuite. I have a saved search here that has a formula currency field that is calculating the average sale price per unit of an item. But when I save and run this search, I get a divide by zero error. This error is caused when the denominator on at least one row is 0. To resolve this, I'm going to go back to my search results. I'm going to add in my formula currency, set it the summary type to maximum, I'm going to round to hundredths, and I'm going to add a label. Now I'm going to pop open my formula window and paste in my formula to calculate the value. So here is my denominator. So what I'm going to do is surround this by the NULLIF tag. So this is the same structure as the no value tag, which we've covered in a previous video, which I will link to in the results below. But this one says that in the case where the value entered here, so 0, is returned as the denominator, the value of null will be returned instead. So I'm going to now save and run this. And you can see here it is now working as expected. So no longer am I getting the divide by zero error. And you can see here on this second row where I have a total quantity of zeros, I'm actually getting null instead of a value. So this is a very handy formula to have in your toolbox because you will inevitably encounter a divide by zero error at some point if you work with saved searches long enough. If you found this video helpful, or if you have ideas about other topics you'd like me to cover, please leave a comment below. Also, please make sure to subscribe for even more NetSuite tips, tricks, and helpful hints. I will be back again next week and every week after that with another video to help you keep living that sweet life.